Now I want to move to a bigger thing, which is, I'm in my late 40s, and I'm thinking about aging. And I wonder how both of you feel about getting older, your body's changing, your face changing, the way you work changing. How do you feel about that? Do you feel excited? Do you feel apprehensive? Is there things about growing older that's made you annoyed, stressed? What's sort of your attitude towards growing old and growing older, not old, you know?
Yeah, I think it's everything. Age is just, I mean, it's just a number. My only thing is that I want to always be fit to take on whatever, old age brings. I want to be able to do what I have to do, whether it's go to set also at 70, 75. I want to keep
85,
working, 85,
90,
all
yeah.
my life. I want to do that. I want to be able to bend to, pick up my grandchildren. I want to be able to do things and not be dependent on someone or a stick. I want to. So for that, I need to eat right with her guidance. I need to have mobility to work out, not to look, good. It's not about the way I look, it's about the way I feel. And that's what, for me, aging and life is. So I love it, I'm embracing it, but I'm taking all these particular things, like eating ghee, eating khichdi, doing a little bit of weight training for muscles, strength training, walking a little, my Surya Namaskars, doing my little work on my own rather than I'm spending time doing all of this rather than, skin treatments and Botox.
What about you, Rujuta? How are you preparing for all this?
I don't think you have to prepare. I think you just age, If you have to, it also depends on what kind of older people you've had around you. And I think, I've had some wonderful elderly around me, so I'm not scared of it at all. I do know that you don't slow down just because of a certain number. There is Harish Bhai here in the audience, Harish Bhai, how old are you? 70 plus to honge aap? See, he's 80. Wow. Okay. So he's 80. He has practiced yoga regularly. He just had a hip replacement, and within 3 weeks of hip replacement, he was out trekking. So I think that's the whole thing, that if you are in good shape, you don't necessarily have a flat stomach, but at 80, he has the enthusiasm and commitment to come here and support me for the book launch, to trek. I think that's the important thing. No, thank you. There's also Aruna Maushi, my mother, everyone here. It's like, I think they are good role models for...
They're stronger than us, trust me.
Do you have a role model of someone older that you say, I want to be like them when I'm in my 70s?
I think, role model, it's just that I know that what I don't want to be, so I kind of have that. Role model is just the right, kind of things, the right kind of lifestyle, the right kind of attitude. Those are role models.
I have to say, the person I want to be like when I grow older, like in physically, is your mother-in-law.